you want to learn how to cook delicious dishes fast and have fun while doing it? Our new compilation of food life hacks will help you boost your culinary skills to a whole new level. Jelly orange slices? Sounds delicious! Cut an orange in half. Squeeze out the juice and remove the remaining pulp. Prepare the jelly following the instructions on the packaging. Carefully fill each half of the orange with the jelly. Let it cool down and cut it into slices. By using different flavors of jelly, you can create a real orange rainbow. You could, and you should, eat this jelly with your hands. Milk is one of the most easily spoiled products. Let's delay its expiration date by freezing it. Pour the milk into some cute ice molds and put it in the freezer. The cold milky hearts would be a great addition to your morning coffee. They can also save you on a hot summer day. And this next little trick will allow you to get all the juice out of your lemon to the last drop. Cut the lemon in half, put one half in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Let's see if it works. Put 2 glasses side by side and squeeze the microwaved half of the lemon into one of them and the ordinary half in the other. The juicy experiment was a success! The first glass has a lot more juice. Amazing! Separating the yolks from the whites could be a real nightmare for an unexperienced cook. If there's no special tool near, just use a plastic funnel. Place a funnel into a clean container. Break the egg inside the funnel. The yolk stays in the funnel while the whites drip down to the bottom of the container. And if you want to collect the yolk of an already broken egg, you can use a plastic bottle. Press on the walls of the bottle and bring the open neck near the yolk. Decrease the pressure on the bottle. The yolk gets sucked inside the bottle. We are left with just the whites. We can start making some culinary masterpieces. Spring BBQ Grilled Sausages. Want to go camping, but the weather isn't quite there yet? Let's turn a soda can into a real barbecue grill. Cut the can in half with something sharp. Make some markings and punch the holes with an awl. Put wires through the holes to form the legs of the grill. Put some foil on the bottom. Insert a grid. We get a barbecue on legs. Put in a piece of solid fuel and some toothpicks as firewood. Light up the fire. What a yummy grilled sausage! And all that without even leaving the house. We've got a very neat idea on how to keep your greenery fresh and always near. Dice up the herbs into small pieces. Fill some ice molds with our green mix. Pour some vegetable oil into the molds and put them in the freezer. The oil prevents the herbs from frosting and losing their aroma and flavor. Decided to leave some potato chips for later? Let's seal the chips bag so that the chips don't spill all over the place. Smooth out the bag to remove all the air. Roll up the end. Fold the corners. Unfold the middle outward. Done! You can test the bag. Just turn it upside down and give it a good shake. Peeling a fresh kiwi with a knife isn't an easy task, but we are ready to share a life hack with you. Cut the kiwi in half. Instead of a knife, let's use a glass. Smoothly slide the kiwi half across the edge of the glass. Voila! The juicy green pulp is nicely peeled. Time to make a fruit salad! Treat yourself with a tasty Eskimo ice cream made with simple ingredients. We are going to need a glass of milk and a few spoons of Nutella. Thoroughly stir the chocolate milk mixture. Pour the goodie into an Eskimo mold. Put it in the freezer for a few hours. Carefully take the ice cream out of the mold. Done! What a tasty and funny chocolate bear! Now, let's make a unique sugar bowl with a sugar dispenser. We will need a glass jar with a twist-on metal lid. Make a hole in the lid with the help of an awl and some scissors. Insert a thick drinking straw into the hole. Shrink the straw, cutting the end at an angle. Secure the seals with hot glue. Done! Now, if you want to add some sugar to your drink, just turn the jar upside down. No more need for wet spoons. Have a nice tea party! Fresh popcorn at a picnic? Don't throw out those soda cans. They can make a pretty good popcorn machine. Outline the parts with a marker. Cut a rectangle in one of the cans and fold it backwards. Make a burner out of the bottom part of the other can. Fringe the walls and fold the metal strips. Place a piece of solid fuel in the burner and light it up. Place the burner into the can. Put in the corn and get a big bowl ready. A bit of patience and it will start to fill with popcorn. Impress your friends with your homemade popcorn, even if there's no microwave. Let's add some romance to this beautiful morning with some heart-shaped eggs. Hard-boil an egg. Peel it. Don't let it cool down. We'll need a long piece of cardboard, a wooden stick, and some elastic bands. Fold the cardboard in half and place the egg inside. Put the wooden stick on top and secure everything with the elastic bands. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes and take the setup apart. The egg gains the needed shape under the pressure from the stick. Slice up the hearts, a good way to show your love. You can make a unique decorative piece for your table out of an ordinary cucumber. Slice the cucumber into small circles. Get a plastic syringe and cut off the tip. Use the syringe to push out the middle of the slices. Make a cut with the knife on each ring. Link the pieces together. We get a pretty and tasty chain. Now, let's make an elegant rose to decorate the plate. Cut a tomato into thin circles. Gently round up the slices into a beautiful flowery shape. It looks incredible! You can find citrus pretty much at any dinner party. Let's make some cute flowers with these orange and lemon slices. Make vertical cuts with a sharp knife and peel off the skin. Cut the fruits into thin rings. The bright citrus bouquet is ready to decorate your dinner party. Banana dolphins or dolphin bananas? Let's decorate the table with some funny dolphins made out of bananas. Make a lateral cut on the tail of the banana. Draw the eyes with a marker. Offer the dolphin some candy. Put the bananas into a glass filled with M&Ms. The yellow cuties are ready to greet your guests. Peeling garlic is too long and boring, and the hands don't smell of Arctic fresh afterwards. We'll need an ordinary glass jar. Put all of the garlic heads inside the jar and close the lid. Shake it like a Roomba shaker for about 10 to 15 seconds. Look, the heads are almost peeled. We can also use a jar to peel hard-boiled eggs, but this time we'll add some water to it. Put the eggs in water and start rhythmically shaking the jar. The shells crack and water makes them come off a lot easier. Peel me 20 eggs for the salad. That doesn't sound that terrifying now, does it? Too much dill and parsley to eat in one go? Put the herbs in a glass with water and cover it with a plastic bag. This way we can preserve it and keep it fresh for longer. Defrosting stuffing can take up to a whole day. Let's make life easier and freeze it in small square chunks. We will need a Ziploc bag and some wooden sticks. Put a 1 centimeter layer of stuffing in the bag. Push the air out of the bag and zip the lock. Divide it into squares with the help of a wooden stick. Now you can pop off the needed amount of stuffing at any moment. The small thin squares defrost a lot faster and are easy to separate from one another. Which one of these life hacks will you definitely use? The romantic heart-shaped eggs, the jelly oranges, or the Nutella chocolate Eskimo? Leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if this video gave you the munchies. Subscribe to Troom Select and don't forget to press the bell icon. That way you won't miss our next video.